villains and a battle station so deadly they had to build it twice. Drawn together by the tractor beam of fate for my personal amusement.
Just as Council predicted.
A very wise Jedi once said, nothing happens by accident.
Swarm tactics.
Call this a diplomatic
Armies have
solution?
built before me. You only prolong your agony.
Not so smart now, are you?
Why, hello?
Obi-Wan's gonna kill me.
Try to run.
Consider this payment to all the Jedi who
But lightsabers, I killed.
Try again, Laser Brain.
Where do you think you're going?
For a general, you sure run away a lot.
I'll suffer no more of your insolence.
Jedi Master. Submit to me.
The Emperor is no more.
Lack humility. Swear your loyalty. Or do not. There is no start fighting. Worthless.
Kylo Ren defeated. Our next match brings something new to Takodana. People trying to kill each other without being paid to.
Jedi are so predictable. Get me by my size, do you? Looking for me? Surprise! Will you do? You have quite the reputation.
All this and
Not be helpless, did you?
said. It happens by accident. Very wise Jedi once said.
Master!
Next time, fight better, Yoda must.
We've got superior forces and a Jedi. What have you got?
Why, hello? I'm coming for you! Looking for me?
What's the matter? Someone forget to change your battery?